Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in Honda Odyssey full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake. Turn the engine off and let it cool for about 10 minutes to reduce burn risk. Put on gloves and safety glasses and place a drip pan under the drain plug. Confirm you have 5 quarts of the recommended oil and a new oil filter before moving on. Begin by raising the front slightly if needed, using jack stands for safety. Position the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug with the proper socket. Let the oil drain until it slows to a drip, which takes several minutes. Inspect the drain plug and gasket and replace the gasket if worn. Reinstall the plug and torque it to specification, taking care not to over-tighten and strip the threads. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, subscribe and like to support more guides. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, and it keeps your garage tidy while you work. It's a handy companion for messy jobs and saves time on cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and allow residual oil to empty into the pan. Prepare the new filter by applying a small amount of new oil to its gasket, then hand tighten it securely. Replace the oil fill cap and pour in 5 quarts of the recommended oil grade, or as specified by your manual. Start the engine briefly, check for leaks, shut off the engine, and verify the oil level with the dipstick, topping if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.